Intro: these 10 AI tools will pay you in 2026. Most people only know 2 or 3 AI money tools, but there are 10 that actually pay you. I'm making a bold claim right now. If you follow this exact list and start with the first one I recommend, you'll be able to earn real cash within days. I'm talking freelancing gigs, passive products, paid services that scale. I'll tell you which one to start with first. I use these tools every week, some for quick $50 gigs, others for full-on businesses. In this video, I'll walk you through each tool, how I monetize it, and the exact angles that convert clients fast. I promise clear payoffs, immediate freelance setups, scalable product ideas, a roadmap from free tools to paid pro stacks. If you stick with me, I'll show actionable examples for each AI. I'll label difficulty and tell you when to upgrade. By the end, you'll know which tool to try tonight and how to make your first dollar within 48 hours. So yeah, let's get into it. Chapter 1. ChatGPT. This is the AI chat assistant I use for writing, ideation, customer support. Say the name with me. It's the backbone of almost every quick income method. You can draft emails, create client proposals, write blog posts, generate microservices in minutes. For freelancers, it's a writing and research engine that slashes delivery time and multiplies output. Make money by offering freelance writing gigs, selling ready-made prompt packs, running microservices, product descriptions, landing page copy. This one is completely free. You can start today without spending a penny. Label easy for beginners. Chapter 2. Canva. I love its AI design tools and templates for social posts, for thumbnails, for short videos. It's ridiculously powerful for non-designers. Use their templates to produce professional assets fast. Instagram carousels, YouTube thumbnails, simple video intros that clients actually pay for. Monetize by selling templates on marketplaces. Monetize by offering social media design services. Monetize by using print-on-demand products with simple designs. The free plan is shockingly capable and labeled free. Perfect for creators getting started. Difficulty: easy. Chapter 3. Google Gemini. This multimodal assistant handles research, content planning, code snippets. I use it daily to speed up deep research and craft SEO outlines. It's brilliant at pulling together briefs, summarizing long papers, giving direction for content that ranks. Monetize by creating research briefs for agencies, offering SEO content packages based on Gemini-driven outlines, or consulting where you translate Gemini output into client strategies. Label free and difficulty moderate. Hugging Face. Call it out because it gives access to open models you can run, fine-tune, and wrap into custom tools. I've used it to prototype paid bots and demos for clients. The platform is a playground for builders who want to ship bespoke solutions fast. Make money by building paid chatbots, offering model hosting gigs, fine-tuning models for businesses that need custom AI behavior. With some technical work, you can charge high rates. Label free models. Difficulty moderate to advanced. 11 Labs. The TTS here is next-level realistic. It turns text into broadcast-quality voiceovers. Use it for audiobooks. Use it for course narration. Use it for ad reads. Use it for podcast intros. Monetize with voiceover gigs. Producing audiobooks. Selling narrated courses. Doing ad reads for creators and brands. The demo tier is free. Test voices before investing. This one is completely free. Demo tier. Difficulty: easy to moderate. Really useful. Tools 6 to 10. Paid tools worth the investment. Visuals continue with side angles and phone screens only. Logos as bold text. Take a breath. Paid stack coming up. ChatGPT Plus. Say it with excitement. Upgrading gets you faster responses and access to better models that produce higher quality output. For serious freelancing or automation projects, that speed and consistency are worth the subscription. Make more money by delivering premium freelance work using Plus for automation scripts and offering faster turnarounds to clients who will pay a premium. Label. Paid. Difficulty. Easy. Right, that's the upgrade. Midjourney. This is the generative image AI I use for art, prints, product mockups. Perfect for creative monetization. Generate striking visuals for wall art, album covers, marketing mockups that clients love. Monetize by selling prints, taking commissions, creating product mockups for stores, licensing images commercially. The subscription unlocks higher quality and faster renders. Label, paid. Difficulty, moderate. Jasper AI. Announce it. It's built for long-form content, marketing funnels, agency workflows. I use Jasper for bulk blog creation, ad copy that converts. It streamlines the repetitive parts so I can focus on strategy. Monetize by selling content packages, offering ad copy services, scaling agency output with templates and workflows. The paid tier gives collaboration features that let you onboard clients easily. Label, paid. Difficulty, easy to moderate. Descript, call it out excitedly. This is my go-to for AI-powered audio and video editing. Overdub filler word removal, quick transcripts. It turns long recordings into polished episodes in a fraction of the time. Monetize through podcast production services. Offer video editing and repurposing packages. Use Overdub for quick ad reads or corrections. The paid plans unlock team features and higher limits. Label, paid and difficulty, moderate. Adobe Firefly/Creative Cloud. Emphasize the name. This is the integrated professional suite, generative AI baked in for designers and agencies. It gives you pro-grade assets, compositing tools, brand-safe content generation. Monetize by offering full-service agency work, product design, campaign assets, client campaigns that require refined, license-safe output. This is the Pro Stack that scales to enterprise clients. Label, paid, and difficulty. Moderate to advanced. Start with ChatGPT free. It's the easiest and fastest way to start earning. If you want quick cash, Draft Prompts sell microservices, deliver your first paid job within 48 hours. From there, layer in Canva, 11 labs for polished deliverables, then scale up to paid tools like Midjourney, Descript for higher value services. If you found value, subscribe for more AI income tools and hit the bell. I'll keep testing new tools, sharing exact prompts, showing step-by-step monetization, so you can copy what works. I want you to try one tool tonight and tell me what you made. Final reminder. Be persistent, start free. Upgrade when it makes money. I'm pumped for you. Go build, test, and earn. Subscribe for more AI income tools and hit the bell.